planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning from June 22nd to the 28th and using the Let's Stay Home kit from the Pretty Pink Co. It is on premium matte paper and this is printed with rose gold foil. On this page we have our 9 full boxes. This page has lots of half boxes, quarter boxes, our sidebar stickers, some scalloped boxes, very cute. The bottom washi, which actually has 3 strips on it, which I love a lot because you get a choice between either of these 2 top strips, or you could use all 3 stacked together if you like. And then we've got date covers, some icons, a weekend banner. And then on this page, we've got foiled headers, another full box, some layering icons, page flags, some scalloped half boxes, and then some foiled boxes here. So really looking forward to planning with this kit. If you'd like to see how this spread comes together, please just keep watching. We're going to start by putting down the bottom washi, and I opted to use just 2 of the strips instead of using all 3, and I decided to omit the one that had like the pink confetti sparkles in it. I really wanted to bring out more of the neutral tones with this kit. I use so much pink, and I knew I was going to bring in a lot of pink even into some of the stickers and different things that I pulled in to use with this kit, but I also really loved all of the neutral tones that were here, and I thought it would be fun to kind of play up some of those colors as well. Then the date dots that I'm using are from Panda Bird Design, and I'm adding those to the date covers and then putting those down. Once I have that done, I'm going to move over to my sidebar, and I wanted to restructure some things in my sidebar for this week because I'm actually starting the first week of my very last class for my MBA program. If you are new to my channel, I am finishing up my MBA in finance, and so glad that it's almost done, but also realized that this was going to be a difficult week for me. I'd taken a couple weeks off of school before I started this class, which was really good to have that break, but I knew going back to school this week was going to mean an adjustment, and it has been an adjustment to like trying to fit in homework and work and keeping active with like all of my planning and social media. It has not been easy this week, but anyways, onto the sidebar. I started by putting down one of the bow quarter boxes from the kit, then added a floral from a deco sheet from the Sweet Planner and that June script from Rose Color Days. I used one of those pen flourishes from Honey Inked as a divider, then put down that bow checklist, and that's the section in which I'm going to write my school assignments and just give myself an overview of things I want to get done for school throughout the week. I put down another one of those bow boxes, and that's where I'm going to put the header for my dinner section, and I'm using the Monday through Sunday tracker to track that. Then I'm going to start building the section of my habit trackers, and this is the craziest thing because sometimes I like to switch things up in my sidebar, and I don't always like to put the full box that I put in the sidebar at the top of the column. I'll have it like in the middle or at the bottom. And when I got to this section, I was putting down my habit trackers, and I was so excited because I was like, hey, I've got like plenty of room down here. I could fit like 3 habit trackers. That's going to be great. And so I started putting down my habit trackers, and it wasn't until I was done building my sidebar that I looked at it and reached for my first full box for Monday. And I was like, oh, I didn't put a full box in the sidebar at all. No wonder I had room for all those habit trackers. But it's actually okay. I actually really love the way the sidebar came out, even without having a full box in the sidebar. I think it came out so cute, and it's one of my favorite sidebars, and worked out totally perfect because I was able to track quite a few things this week. So like I said, I was bringing in some decorative elements from a deco sheet from the Sweet Planner, which I really love because she includes the most gorgeous florals in her deco sheets, and I love using them in my spreads. And so I'm adding this little potted floral arrangement, little deco sticker, just to the sidebar, and then I'm going to put down my scripts. All of the scripts in the sidebar are from Sticky Sloth Designs, and they are custom scripts. It's just a fantastic custom scripts. You can pick out the type of font you want, and of course whatever word you want it to be. And so I marked my school section dinners, and my habit trackers were working out, no sugar, and a no spend. So now that that's done, I'm moving into my day by day. I put down a header from Sadie Stickers and then one of the full boxes. And then I have these new scalloped lace trim stickers from Honey Inked, and I was so excited. I totally wanted to use them to decorate around like some half boxes and full boxes in my spreads. I put down a half box from the kit and then added the lace trim stickers to the top and bottom, and I really love the look of that, and it added a really nice strong punch of foil because most of the boxes in this kit were not foiled, like the half boxes and quarter boxes and stuff, so I really loved that. Then I layered a little laptop sticker and then marked a bunch of things I needed to get for work done in that half box. Then the podcast that I listened to came back this week. They had been taking a break, just trying to give respect and amplify Black voices and deal with the whole Black Lives Matter thing, which I completely respect. But I was also very excited that after a 3-week break, the podcast that I really enjoy listening to came back. And so they upload new episodes on Mondays. So I was listening to that podcast on Monday. Then I put down a quarter box, and then that mail icon is from Paper Muse Crafts, and I use that to mark a quick post office run that I did. And then I put down some more of that floral deco, and the film Plan With Me script is from Letters to Apollo. To finish off Monday, I used a quarter box from Panda Bird Design, and that cute little sports bra icon is also from the Pretty Pink Co. Not part of the kit, but I have a bunch of icons from her. I really love her foiled icons. They're amazing. And so that is how I decided to mark my workout session for Monday. On to Tuesday, I wanted to start off by marking that I was starting my final class, and so I'm using a half box, and that books icon is from Crafts by Towie. Her shop is going to be reopening on July 1st, which is so exciting and fantastic. She's also having a really great sale when her shop opens. So if you're a fan of her icons, I highly recommend checking her out on July 1st because she's going to be having a great sale. And then I used another one of those dividers and a quarter box. That laptop sticker is from Artbox Stickers, and the email script is from Letters to Apollo. Wanted to make sure I took care of some important emails and things in my inbox for work. And then my husband's birthday is coming up. It's on July 3rd, and generally, and you guys were so helpful in my last video because I was telling you that we had a shared Amazon account, and people were telling me like how to get around it so that I could order him stuff and still surprise him. And generally we don't try to surprise each other, which is why it's never really been a big deal that we share an Amazon account. But he ended up surprising me for my birthday and getting me like a couple of things I just was not expecting, which shows you how little attention I pay to our Amazon order history, or the emails that I get, but but because he was able to surprise me, I was like, okay, I've got to surprise him with something. And I got some things outside of our Amazon account, just like a couple of small things that I'm really excited about because I'm totally going to surprise him. I'm going to win with love. Anyways, and then I finished up Tuesday by marking cooking dinner and using one of those scallop quarter boxes from the kit to mark some chapters I needed to read for school. On to Wednesday. Started Wednesday by putting down a third box from Panda Bird Design, and then that little Instagram icon is from Nettie Designs, just marking my Instagram post. And actually right above that is like my favorite header from Panda Bird Design. It's so gorgeous. I really love the design of that header. I added some more of those lace trim stickers to the full box for Wednesday, and I love the way that came out. So pretty. And then I used a quarter box. I had some more reading and stuff to do for school. And so I marked an article I needed to read for class with that books icon from Crafts by Towie. Put down another one of those headers from Sadie Stickers and used a scalloped half box from Panda Bird Design with a Audible icon from Crafts by Towie. I started listening to Born a Crime, which is Trevor Noah, who's the host of The Daily Show. His book, so good. So like I love the fact that he's reading it. I really enjoy watching The Daily Show. I like his voice, so listening to him read a book was pretty cool. But it was also really heavy. And like I got a couple chapters into it and I was just like, wow, I need a break. There's been just so much happening, and I don't know if anyone else is feeling this way, but like I'm trying to take in everything that's going on, be active, be socially aware, and do my part, but also give myself breaks so that I'm not just overwhelmed with everything going on. Anyways, now I'm talking over everything. Finished up Wednesday by marking a bar workout, and that icon also came from Crafts by Towie, and then marked just having a movie night, which like I was saying, after kind of emotionally like it takes you through so much emotionally. Just hearing about injustice and listening to Trevor Noah's story was just so crazy, even just the start of it. And so I just wanted something like light, and I don't even remember what movie I watched at this point, but I know it was just something like light and silly that I watched Wednesday night. On to Thursday, I put down another one of those scallop quarter boxes. I really loved those scallop quarter boxes. And then I layered that bow divider from Panda Bird Design on top of it, which I thought accented it perfectly. And then again, marked some more emails, things I wanted to take care of for work with that. Then put down the full box for Thursday. I'm going to move back up to the top, place another one of those dividers from Honey Inked. I go through those dividers so quickly because whenever I start to use them in a spread, I always use them multiple times. I just love her dividers. They're so stunning. Then I'm putting down a laptop half box from my newest addiction. I'm going to layer a school script on top of that, just to mark getting done my discussion posts and replies to introductions, all of the things I needed to do for school, just sort of interactive type classwork type of stuff that I needed to get done. And then I made sure I got all of that stuff done by Thursday, which is the due date. I'd actually gotten a little bit ahead of myself. I was really happy because I did like my first discussion post actually on Tuesday. So that worked out really well this week. But it's been a busy week with like just reacclimating myself to thinking about homework. Which, oh, so be so glad when this class is over. I will never have to think about that again. And that is the thought that is getting me through this. I put down another one of those dividers from Panda Bird Designs and used one of those floral deco pieces from the Sweet Planner, layered a cute little planner icon from Crafts by Towie on top of that to mark a planning session. I plan as I go. So like I'll pre-plan a couple days out, multiple days throughout the week, if that makes sense. And so you'll usually see me like planning in my planner a couple days throughout the week just to get through, because I use my planner very functionally. It helps me remember things because I can't keep everything in my head, and it helps me stay organized so that I can stay on top of what needs to get done. And it's also nice because then I have things written down. I can look at it, and when I have that thought of, oh God, what was I supposed to remember to do today? I can look at my planner and it helps give me a guideline as to what I was intending to do with my life that day. And so then at the bottom of the column on Thursday, I am marking my bar workout. I put down quarter box from the kit. That rose gold header is from Nettie Designs. And of course, the ballet slippers that I use to mark my bar workouts are from Crafts by Towie. On to Friday, I'm starting with that Sadie Stickers bow header, and then adding the half box from the kit. So one of those scalloped half boxes with a cute little bow detail on it. And then I'm going to layer a payday script from Nettie Designs on top of that. Actually, I'm going to jump back to Thursday first. I decided I wanted to pull in one of those cute little scallop circles that were in the kit. I can't believe I hadn't been using them this whole time. They're so adorable. So I lifted up that icon and added that down and layered it on top of it. And then I'm going to put down that payday script from Nettie Designs. And then putting down the full box for Friday, I wanted to add a foiled header on top of the full box. So I'm placing that down first, then going to add the full box, and then to mark paying bills and doing a quick little bank run. I decided to do that a little bit decoratively. So I started by adding one of those floral deco pieces from the Sweet Planner. Then I'm going to layer an icon. It was like a cute little money sack icon from Crafts by Towie. And that is how I decided to mark that. Underneath there, I put down a quarter box from Panda Bird Design and added those lace trim stickers above and below that quarter box. And I'm working on a summer project that I'm really excited I'll be sharing with you guys very soon. But wanted to do some work on that, and then finished up Friday by marking my skincare using this cute little skincare icon from the Pretty Pink Co., which I layered on top of one of the page flags from the kit. And then Saturday was my niece and nephew. They're twins, and it was their birthday. They were turning 8, which if you guys are following me on Instagram, I shared some pictures and things in my stories. And we also talked about it in my last plan with me. I was talking about the dollhouse, the Barbie dollhouse that I was buying for my niece that she wanted, which, oh my God, she loved it so much. It made me so happy just seeing her response to it. And that's always the thing that I think you're hoping for when you give a gift to someone you love. And so it was fantastic. And I'm so sorry, guys. It seems I accidentally deleted the last clip of my filming, which makes me so sad. I love the way this spread came out, and I really wish I had all of the footage to show you guys all the way through. But just to let you know, I wanted to show you, how Saturday and Sunday came out. I also marked some cleaning, and again, just using some more deco. That cleaning icon is from Paper Muse Crafts. I used a half box to mark I done like a binge watch of Lauren, who is ShawntePlans. She just uploaded her second honeymoon video, and I personally really have enjoyed watching all of like her wedding and honeymoon videos because it's kind of just like a fun escape. And I think we all kind of use YouTube for that, just kind of to, take a break from normal day-to-day life and just enjoy watching fun videos. And I really enjoy her. So I wanted to mark that I had done a fun little binge watch of her wedding and honeymoon videos. Then we headed over to see, of course, my niece and nephew, celebrate their birthday with them and have some family time. And it was just really wonderful day. Hung out with the kids, played games, and it was just nice because, of course, during this time, social distancing and family gatherings don't happen often. And when we do them in small numbers to stay safe. Finished off Sunday by doing, uploading my plan with me, painting my nails, having a workout, and then, of course, doing tons of homework because school is life right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day and staying safe. I'll see you next video. Bye.